got a kiss. Okay, wow, amazing. 10 seconds to go around 4, and these ladies show no signs of backing down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is exciting, isn't it, guys? Show me some noise if you're excited! Come on! Nicely done, huh?
สำหรับวันนี้นะครับขอบคุณอีกครั้งหนึงนะครับสำหรับ MBK Center นะฮะเจ้าของสถานที่นะครับจัดการแข่งขันในครั้งนี้เราก็ต้องขอชื่นชมให้นะม็อกซิ่งโปรท่านนี้จัดโปรได้สวยมากนะครับผมนะ
Very exciting stuff here at the MBK Center being presented by the Highland Boxing Gym. If you want to find yourself training with some of the best to become the best, finally sign up at the Highland Boxing Gym Facebook page. Indeed. Remember our sponsors, we'll take it away.
ขอขอบคุณนะครับ MBK Center มีเงินไว้ทำโดยคุณนัทสมบูรณ์แสงวิทย์ไทยแลนด์บ็อกซิ่งทีมบีเคเจนMTA โดยบริษัทนี้ผู้ชาย
Fantastic. And we are almost halfway now of the round 5 now of the WBA Asia Female Bantamweight Championship title. Yep, you going in there with some jabs early on and Palak returning fire. And then ending it, of course, with a heart being separated by our referee here. Clinching and separating is the theme of this fight as they keep hitting each other without any signs of backing down. Ladies and gentlemen out there, who's going for China? And ladies and gentlemen out there, who's going for Thailand? Ladies and gentlemen out there, who's here because they've got nothing better to do on a Wednesday? Who's here because they've got nothing to do? The punches is we're here and we're having a great time. No matter where you are in Bangkok, you're here watching it live at the MBK Center. Some amazing stuff happening right now, isn't that right, Bruno?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic stuff. By the way, for those ladies out there, of course, we've got females in the ring right now. Who run the world? Okay, no one else is a Beyonce fan but me. That's okay. Let's get straight back into the fight, folks. Wow, good stuff here from Young Yu over there, really trying to kick it to the curb with those body shots. Oh, and she really took it to the penthouse with a right hook from Palak just there, and being separated once again, which is the theme of tonight's fight of the WBA Asia Female Bantamweight Championship title fight. We're all here to see live in the UK. Fantastic stuff. What do you think?
โอ้โหค่อนข้างครับคู่นี้นะมันไม่แพ้มวยไทยแล้วก็ต่อยมันจะไม่หยุดเลยนะสำหรับคู่นี้ตัวเลย
That's right, both of them fighting as if it's still round 1, not losing any signs of energy whatsoever. Wow. 10 seconds to go. Left. Red or blue? Red or blue? We'll find out at the halfway mark, folks.
ขอบคุณมากนะครับขอบคุณนะครับวันนี้ทุกท่านนะครับขอบคุณนะครับขอบคุณนะครับที่มาร่วมชมร่วมเชียร์นะครับในวันนี้แล้วเราจะเหลือไม่ทำการแข่งขันอีกหนึ่งคู่นะครับเวลาไป
That's right, we've got one more boxing match straight after this, believe it or not. Back in the league, folks, more boxing straight after this. There's a debut as well, the light heavyweight of 4 rounds between Mr. Fight from Thailand and Myanmar's own Viet Cui.
ผมที่ต่อไปแล้วจะมีนะครับผู้ชมทุกท่านก็ต้องเรียนนะครับอย่าเพิ่งหนีไปไหนนะที่จะต้องเซฟ
This is the second half of the fight of 10 rounds. Or will it be shorter? We'll find out here at round 6 of the WBA Asia Female Bantamweight title. And going at it again, Young Yu, my favorite thing about her so far is at the start of every round, she charges in like a bull in a China shop. Always big time, good stuff. Oh my God, absolutely sweat flying, pouring, and just getting everyone in the splash zone wherever you are. Wow. Another one really getting the by the way, girl with a great tattoo on her right shoulder blade as well, by the way. Looking good there on the right shoulder. Both of them very well maintained balance and action-packed. Brilliant punches for sure. This is insane fighting, folks. Anything to get that championship. I know, right? Yeah, they know exactly what to do. Both of them just know how to hit, and then they move out of the way straight away. Often waving, as we say also in boxing. Some great body shots there. Throw away, that's you over there. Little China. Fantastic.
ก็ทำให้การตัดสินในยกนี้กรรมการพงเวชจักรสุรัตน์ต้องเมื่อแตกเลยนะแบบมวยที่ชกไม่อยู่แล้วก็กรรมการเลยก็ทำหน้าที่อย่างสุดยอดเลยสำหรับเล็กตัวนี้นะ
Yeah, making the referee do some work, that's for sure. All 10 rounds, I think this might last the distance. Both fighters. Oh, again, a nice jab and a cross, trying to get a little right hook there in the clinch, straight into it, ducking when it's necessary, and the referee coming in once again to separate the two. Straight. He said, oh! The whole time. 10 seconds.
สุดยอดครับสองเชียร์ด้วยกันยังมีเสียงอยู่ข้างหลังก็มีเสียงขอเสียงหน่อยเลยเวทคนนั้นมีเสียงไหมเวทสันด้วยเวทคนนั้น
Fantastic. All right. We're going to 4 rounds to go. The distance all there. Really exciting stuff.
กับเดี๋ยวเทียนมาพอถึงทางใดนี้
I know it is amazing. Well, it goes to show that, you know, ladies always last longer, no matter how many rounds they have. Correct? Perhaps the ball has to be coming over. Ron, it was fantastic for this conversation with you.
ไม่ใช่นะครับไม่ใช่ง่ายเลยแต่ว่าโดยทำการแข่งขันแล้วคิดว่าไม่ใช่แล้วต้องมีการฝึกซ้อมที่ดีแล้วก็ต้องเตรียมตัวมาดูแลสำหรับการแข่งขันถึงจะมีผู้ชนะกลับบ้านได้เท่านั้นเลยโอลิวันวินโอลิวันนักวิ่งแชมป์เลย
What he's trying to say is that only one fighter will go home with the championship belt from the WBA Asian Female Division. And let's get straight back into it, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be one big cheer of a fight. We're up to round 7, I believe. That's right. Lucky at number 7. Is this the fight that sees a champion today? Or are we going to last 3 more rounds? Exciting stuff.
ต่อเวลาต่อมาแบบนักชกกันสร้างตัวให้ดูแลนั้นหยุดเดินไม่ได้
Oh my goodness me. Combos for days. They are both staying up there at the Bangkok rooftop, that's for sure. A lot of hits up top. They're sure next to themselves a couple of colors for an old-fashioned 1-2, how do you do? Oh, it's making up. From the penthouse to the basement. There goes Young Yu. And then straight for a clinch one more time. Oh! Kind of like knocking the defenses down. Oh, okay. Didn't really land quite well with that right there from Young Yu, but you can see exactly what she was trying to go for. Still very tactical, still very smart, that's for sure. And certainly she's trying to go for that move again. Not exactly him, but that's okay, no worries. They'll get their chance. Both of them don't seem to show any signs of tiring out. No signs at all. Big from the ball. He's openly like that big right front. Oh, another one. Another one. Okay. DJ Khaled, 6-7. And another one. Oh! Oh, she's going to go for it again. Young Yu really is going to be careful here. I'm going to say, there is a lot more action happening from Padalak, that's for sure. Blue corner is really doing very well. And look, if this ends up lasting the 10 rounds, the blue corner's own Padalak from Thailand might be in favour of each other's choices.
10 seconds, everyone!
Make some noise! Come on now. All right, 3 rounds to go after this one until our other debut fight. Don't go anywhere, of course. And straight after our debut fight, we have 6 Muay Thai fights for you this evening.
Everyone now,
Trudeau himself, the soy cowboy of boxing. Look at him right now, dancing up the floor. Please don't take your shirt off, it's a Wednesday. There are children here. Alright, here we go, it's round number 8. You know what to do, Trudeau. Tell the crowd. There you go. Thank you very much, Red Corner, for that energy. Alright, straight into it once again. A lot of knocking and the punching from both ends. Being separated once again. A lot of clutching and separating. And not very much bopping and weaving, just a lot of hits to the face, a lot of crosses. Big jabs is what I'm seeing this fight as well, and I'm really loving those as well. Both of them charging into each other like rams. Mountain goats, the greatest of all time. And showing us, wow! Especially kind of like with that right hook there, in the face of young Yul Lee. Wow, to the point that she is now bleeding, I believe, from the left nostril. Absolute impact, making the red corner redder by the second, folks. Wow. Beautiful stuff here. Alright, separating once again. Let's see if Cadillac could make a bit more red happen. There's already a bit of blood on the floor right now as we speak. This time, the canvas is red with blood action. We're going to also please with these kind of things showing their absolute prowess. We're going to have a doctor on stand-up for this, because this might be a leaking one. This might feel like if anyone plays a game of Mortal Kombat and the blood has been turned up to a level of high, if you're into that kind of thing.
เราเรียกว่ายกนี้ทำได้ดีเลยนะสำหรับนักชกทางด้านตัวน้ำเงินนักชกจากประเทศไทยของเราแล้วผัดเลือดไทยรับกินนะออกหมัดน้อยจริงๆจะออกหมัดแม่นนะ
Also, 10 seconds to go of round 8, almost up to our penultimate round of round 9 here of the WBA Asia Female Heavyweight Championship title. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can do it one more time, make some noise! It's not for our fighters, for the Soy Cowboy Boxing Brutal, ladies and gentlemen, look at it right now, that's right, the Soy Cowboy Boxing is in the house. There we go, I'm in, alright. Round 9 coming straight up, guys. Ladies and gentlemen out there, who's going for the blue corner? And ladies and gentlemen, who's going for the red corner? Ladies and gentlemen, who's here because they're just a fan of boxing? That's what I'm talking about. Fantastic energy right here at the MDK Center. I love it. Wow. Who needs alcohol when you've got vines? Am I right? That's right. If you want to watch the fights here at the MDK Center, it's every first and last Wednesday of every month. So wait until the next one there, folks. We'll be back for sure. But here we go, 4 rounds, 9. And again, both fighters going in like mountain goats, rams, buffaloes, water buffaloes. Every single animal that is known to charge into each other is happening right now in human form. Sweat flying, pouring more than the outside rain. Isn't this insane? Wow. And how about the red corner? Come on, please make some noise over there, red corner! Thank you, both of you. Okay. Speaking of the red corner, Young Yu is getting rid of her match. That bleeding nose is really making her mouth guard go from white to red real quick. Lucky you never put that kind of white in the wash. White with a finger, and those who go, there she goes. Wow, there goes Cadillac, just trying to catch a breath maybe. And as I said, folks, we better get out of that splash zone. If you're right near where Young Yu is, the action is packed with blood from the nose.
เอาละครับมันก็ยังดูเดือดกันเสมอเลยนะสำหรับคู่นี้ไม่รู้จะออกทางไหนเรดออกหรือไม่รู้
We have no idea. both of them lionesses in their own right and from their own pride, really going for that championship belt. Wow.
เขาเป็นผู้ชนะกันในเพียงหนึ่งเดียวเท่านั้นได้เอาเป็นขัดแชมป์ WBA เอเชียกลับบ้านนะ
Wow, even with a bleeding nose, that does not bother young you at all. The WBA Asia Female Bantamweight Championship title is hers, being manifested at 10 seconds to go of round 9. Really finding out exactly whose match this is before the last round comes straight after this round, folks. All right, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make some noise! That's exactly what I'm talking about, but we can talk that by 10. We're on the very last round. Beautiful stuff, very good indeed. English is welcome, but sing it off, Deepak Live. Anyway, English attack right here as we speak between China and Thailand. We've got our last round to go of the WBA Asia Female Bantamweight Championship title. You know what to do in the last round. Make some noise! Get those hands clapping as we see these ladies fighting out our very last round of this championship title. Very exciting stuff. Speaking of championship titles, in the house right now is a recent ABF championship title holder, Michael John Zuileta, in the house. If we can give it up for this guy right here who won just recently. Not just me, fair enough. No, I'd give it up for you, mate. Anyway, back into the big belts right now. Okay. Right here, right now in the MVP Centre Hall. Some exciting stuff thanks to Highland Boxing Promotions, as well as Fairtex, B-Legend, SXS Sport, BM Fighting Club, and the Muay Thai Outlet Co. Limited.
วงการกองเชียร์ลุ้นเลยมีเสียงบอกเอาเสียงบอก
Oh, that was a fantastic right thrust there from Punny Luck there.
Red Corner make some noise!
Just looks like the Red Corner's auntie cheering this thing. Hey, you gotta love the support of auntie. They exist, they're everywhere, especially in this country. Alright. And Punny Luck just dancing circles around Yan Yu. It is nothing to her, that's for sure. This fight is just round 1 for her. Yan Yu still looking like she's got a lot of steam, that's for sure. The determination and dedication, lifetime of effort that both fighters have put in to this very moment is on show, and on show in the best way possible. Anything for a championship belt, that's for sure. Wow. 10 seconds to go on round 10. Make some noise! We're gonna ask you one more time, and we're gonna ask you right now one more cheer for round 10, folks! You know, whenever you're in Thailand, anywhere is a seat. That's okay. All right. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you. All right. Why don't we do it like this? This side of the room, make some noise! That side of the room, make some noise! That side of the room, make some noise! Yao, and we have the WBA co-promoter, Ben Young, along with our supervisor, Silvestra Maestro Ivanza, along with our referees from us, Chaksha Ruksha, and our judges, of course, Chalem Prayansa, Pinip Prayansa, and War Orasak Pakdi Power. Okay, please come on stage to present the belt, and let's find out who the winner is. Judges still trying to calculate exactly who the winner of that is between Yang and Panilak Nakpak Lakun of Thailand. There we go.
ขอเรียนเชิญนะครับคณะกรรมการผู้ตัดสินจาก WBA เสียขึ้นเวทีด้วยนะครับแล้วก็สักขีพยานของ WBA เสียขึ้นเวทีด้วยครับ
Here we go, of course, we have our promoters of the Highland Boxing Gym, Rico Santig and Sumanat Chandran in the ring as we speak, of course.
I'm really excited. I don't know where or win.
I have no idea as well. I'm on the edge of my seat to find out. That's how excited I
But
am.
it's a good fight for 10 rounds.
It was a fantastic fight for 10 rounds. Don't you agree, folks? That's what I like to hear. Fantastic. This side of the room has way more energy. This side of the room are still waking up. And I don't blame them. Here's a Wednesday. Okay, let's get straight back into it. Eric Wu, sorry.
Yes,
Eric
subuhan
Yang,
kita
of Chinwoo Boxing
Bahaya
Division,
ng
coming into the
kain.
ring right now. Association
Abu
with this fantastic
Championship.
WBA
ขอเรียนเชิญนะครับคณะกรรมการผู้ตัดสินจาก WBA เอเชียขึ้นเวทีด้วยครับและขอเรียนเชิญท่านสักขีพยานทุกท่านขึ้นบนเวทีด้วยครับ
We also have coming to the ring right now the supervisor, WBA supervisor, Silvestra Maestro Abanza from Philippines. Can we please give it up for this gentleman right here? He's a big deal in boxing.
เอาละครับและสำหรับตอนนี้ผมคะแนนอยู่ในมือของมิสเตอร์อาร์โนแล้วจัสนัมเบอร์วัน
Right, fantastic. Judge number one scores for Young Yu 97, while he scores for Panilak 93. And judge number two, he hit Prayatsa 94, and Panilak scores 96. And Waresa for Young Yu scores 94, and 97 for Panilak, which means the winner of the WBA Asia Female Welterweight Championship title, Panilak
Congratulations.
The blue corner strikes again.
ยินดีกับผู้ชนะนะครับแล้วก็เป็น
Congratulations, Abu Championship in the wrestling.
ชุมพรดูทางด้านบ็อกซิ่งของเราเนี่ยมีนักเตะ
And in the first one, of course, here is our, here we go.
เอาละครับทีนี้เป็นบ็อกซิ่งกันนะครับผม
Amazing stuff. Can we please give it up for Panilak and Rapalaport one more time, please?
ได้เวลาของผู้ชนะแล้วนะครับวันนี้อยากจะขอบคุณใครเป็นพิเศษเชิญเลยครับ
Ja, det vill vi se. Det ser mycket fysiskt ut. Det vill vi se.
Congratulations, the winner from Blue Corner.
Next up, guys! Fantastic stuff here for the blue corner.
فاز
There we go, coming
المبروك
up,
فاز
we've got the blue corner's
بالوزن
team
الريشة.
of Panilak coming up to have photos taken right now. Before we get on to our next fight, the
Ladies and
debut
gentlemen,
of two fighters from Thailand.
We have
Here we go.
championship
Photo moment, folks.
wrestling
Let's go. Here we are. Get those
now.
beautiful smiles.
We have finished. باي باي الآن الصور الأخيرة Bye-bye.
Okay,
Lovely stuff, folks. Lovely stuff.